Welcome to Max's Magic World! Yay! I'm going to Grandma's house!
Welcome, Max. So happy you're here.
Grandma, I missed you!
Max, I have a special surprise for you.
Woohoo! Wow! New friends! Hey, look over there! Wow! Look at the water! Let's have some fun! Yay! This is exciting!
Oh dear, the garden is getting too wet.
Huh? Don't worry, Grandma. We'll help. Come on, friends! Let's save the garden! We can do it! Together! We did it! We turned the water off!
Excellent. Now you three go play inside. I'll make something delicious for you. Come here. Your food is ready.
Kids, come on! Your food is ready! Yay! Let's go! Grandma, lunch was delicious. Now I should go home. Thank you, Grandma.
You're always welcome, Max.
Bye, my friends. See you next time. Bye, Max. Come back soon.